What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Mark's Kitchen. This is episode 3. So excited. Today we're going to be cooking one of my favorite dishes to get at an Asian restaurant. They're called Potstickers or dim sum or get some because they are real good. We're going to make these from scratch. We're going to make the dough. We're going to make some sauce. And we're going to make these two ways. One with pork, one with shrimp. It's going to be so good. Here's what you need to start making the stickers of pot dim sum. Step 1, we're gonna make the dough. Takes the longest, gotta let it set for at least 30 minutes, so let's get started. All right, so we're gonna start out with 4 cups of flour. All purpose, homie. Now we're gonna add our salt. Now we gotta add the water. Oh, we got dough! Oh, we got dough! This is a disaster. Ah! Need it, I need the dough. I need the dough. Now that the dough is ready, what we're gonna need to do is put it in the fridge to let it set for 30 minutes. And while we're doing that, we're gonna make the filling. So with this, I'm gonna make a pork filling and a shrimp filling. It's all gonna have carrots, cabbage, jalapenos, garlic, ginger, all that stuff. It's gonna be real good. We're gonna start chopping some green onions. Now we're gonna start chopping the jalapenos. I shred some carrots. Now we're gonna start making the wonton wrappers. This is where it gets fun. Let's do it! We're gonna use a pizza cutter here in Mark's Kitchen. Now it's time to roll these out into the wonton strips. The last Gyoza. Woo! And that's a wrap. Now it's time to stuff the Gyoza wraps that we just made with the shrimp and the pork mixture. It's gonna be real good right there. We got a bunch of different Gyoza. Some look like calzones, don't judge me. Some look like actual pot stickers. But we're gonna throw these on the oven in a frying pan. We're gonna fry them for about 4 minutes, and then we're gonna hit them with some steam, cover that pot so they fully cook. They'll be ready to go. Took the lid off. Looks like we're good to go. These are nice and cooked. Nice and brown on the bottom. Yeah, boy. Here we go. So we're gonna make a quick dip. It's just a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of Sriracha, and then a little bit of, oh, yep, it's on my face. Rice vinegar. I'm a huge chopped guy, so this is my best rendition of if I was on Chopped. Plating, pot stickers, Mark's Kitchen, let's go.
Who will take home the $50,000 prize?
This is great. Can we do champions more?
And who will be chopped?
Woo.
Finish up strong, chefs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back.
Oh yeah, look at that. Well, my laundry's done. We're gonna try the finished product. It is gonna be so good. These are piping hot. Dip them in the sauce. Give me that. Bruh. There's a bit of soy sauce on my face. Let's get that. I'll be honest, these are so good. These have a really nice taste. You can taste the sesame oil, not too strong. The pork ones are really good. All right, let's try a shrimp one. Yeah, it's good. It's got a lot of green onion in it. I love that. It's got a lot of flavor. Soy sauce, it's a little spicy. Holy crap, that's spicy. I put a lot of jalapeno seeds in there. Woo! Oh my gosh, my mouth's on fire.
Solid.
All right, guys, thanks for tuning in to Mark's Kitchen episode 3. Stay tuned for episode 4, where I'm gonna come at you with a new recipe, and you know what they always say. If you can do it in Mark's Kitchen, you can do it in your kitchen. Hey. Do you know the saying?
No. What is it?
Come on, you don't remember?
No.
If you can do it in Mark's Kitchen.
You can, well, if you can do it in Mark's Kitchen, you can do it, but anywhere?
In your kitchen, Mom.
In your kitchen. Oh, it's so catchy.
Jeez Louise.